So the other day, actually I was yesterday, this engine stopped running while I was weeding our paddy, and I couldn't figure out. I thought the air fuel ratio, maybe. I know it has something to do with ratio, but I was trying to adjust it and everything, but nothing worked. Then I found out that these two nuts were loose. So what happened was the air intake is here, but because these two nuts were loose, air was going in from here, from the space in between this part and the engine, and that's why things weren't working out. Couldn't fix it. I tried to fix it with the this idling adjustment, but it just didn't work. Didn't know why. And I tried to adjust this, but then I found out the space, so I had to take this part off and tighten up those two nuts there. Just want to make sure everything is fine for next year. And this is the choke valve. Okay, so let's find out. Is that, no, that's on. And okay, that's that. Let's see. Great. The switch works too. Okay, that's great. I think everything is fine now. Just have to do that because I don't have the original air filter. It's good enough.